Welcome back to Cartech Explorers. Today, we're talking about the stunning 2024 Genesis G90. This video will cover the car's exterior and interior, delve into its standout features, and give you a detailed look at its driving experience. Buckle up as we dive into the luxury and performance of the Genesis G90. Let's start with the exterior of the Genesis G90. The moment you lay eyes on this vehicle, it's clear that Genesis has gone above and beyond to create a design that's both elegant and dynamic. The G90 boasts a sharp, aerodynamic silhouette that hints at both its luxury and performance capabilities. Under the hood lies a powerful 3.5L twin-turbocharged V6 engine complemented by a 48V electric supercharger. This combination churns out an impressive 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that the G90 is not just a beauty to behold but a beast on the road. The sleek lines and sculpted bodywork are further accentuated by diamond-cut wheels, which add a touch of sophistication and sportiness. The split headlights are another distinctive feature, offering not just excellent illumination but also contributing to the car's modern and futuristic look. Convenience is also a key aspect of the G90's exterior, with features such as keyless entry and the ability to start and drive the car remotely, providing a seamless and high-tech experience for the owner. Stepping inside the G90, you are immediately enveloped in an environment of opulence and comfort. Genesis has clearly spared no expense in selecting the finest materials and finishes for the interior. The seats are upholstered in supple, high-quality leather, and the attention to detail is evident in every stitch and surface. The rear seats, in particular, are designed to offer a first-class experience. They feature forged carbon fiber accents that add a touch of modern elegance. Rear passengers can indulge in a top-tier Bang & Olufsen sound system, which delivers crystal-clear audio, perfect for enjoying your favorite music or even just the sound of silence. Additionally, the rear seats come with a reclining function, ensuring that passengers can relax in ultimate comfort, whether it's a short trip across town or a long journey on the highway. The front seats are equally impressive. They are designed to provide maximum comfort and support, with various massage settings that can be adjusted to suit individual preferences. This feature is particularly beneficial for those long drives where fatigue can set in, offering a rejuvenating experience that keeps the driver alert and relaxed. The cabin is equipped with a dual digital display that offers a wealth of information at a glance, from navigation and media controls to vehicle diagnostics. The head-up display is another excellent feature, projecting essential driving information onto the windshield so that the driver can stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. In terms of technology, the G90 is packed with a variety of driver assistance features, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and active sound cancellation, all designed to enhance safety and convenience. Now, let's get into the driving experience. The Genesis G90 is engineered to deliver a ride that is both smooth and exhilarating. The powerful 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine provides brisk acceleration, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. The engine is mated to a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, which ensures that power delivery is both seamless and responsive. This combination allows the G90 to handle with surprising agility for a vehicle of its size, making it enjoyable to drive in a variety of conditions, from city streets to winding country roads. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a ride that is as comfortable as it is composed. Whether you're navigating through busy urban traffic or cruising on the open highway, the G90 offers a driving experience that is both relaxing and engaging. One of the standout aspects of the G90 is its suite of driver assistance features. Lane Keep Assist helps maintain the vehicle's position within its lane, providing gentle steering inputs to keep you on course. Adaptive Cruise Control adjusts the vehicle's speed to maintain a safe distance from the car ahead, making long drives more comfortable and less tiring. Active Sound Cancellation ensures that the cabin remains quiet and serene, allowing you to enjoy conversations or your favorite music without any unwanted noise intrusions. These features work together to create a driving experience that is not only safe but also incredibly convenient. In conclusion, the 2024 Genesis G90 is a remarkable vehicle that excels in design, luxury, and performance. Its impressive exterior styling, luxurious and comfortable interior, and powerful yet smooth driving dynamics make it a standout in the luxury sedan segment. The Genesis G90 is a vehicle that truly offers the best of both worlds. It's a pleasure to look at and a joy to drive. The attention to detail and the thoughtful integration of advanced technology make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a luxury sedan. I am clearly impressed with the G90, highlighting its many features and benefits, and emphasizing its great value for the money. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that offers a comprehensive package of style, comfort, and performance, the Genesis G90 should be at the top of your list. Thank you for joining us on this test drive. We hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2024 Genesis G90. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews and test drives from Cartech Explorers.